Why did this mug automatically start recording?
Oh.
Check this out.
Hey guys, bam, bam, bam. Yo, when did the security camera get there?
Been there.
Since when?
Been there.
I didn't see it when I walked in before we left.
I can finally fire my camera guy.
Yeah, you don't need him no more.
Oh,
Is it working?
yeah.
How much you pay for it?
$0.00.
How?
I paid about $30 for all the equipment. The head strap. I got a chest strap.
How much is the GoPro though?
Like $300.
That's how much you pay for that?
No, I didn't pay nothing for it.
How you keep going around and asking how much you get it for? How you get it, Carter?
Trash out.
Oh. Oh, you found that at the trash out? Is it working?
Yeah. Brand new. Like, I turned it on and it was in the setup screen.
Oh, okay.
Tested it out and everything.
They must have overlooked that.
Moved it into my computer. Everything works exactly how it should. Now I got the head strap and the chest strap. I don't need him no more. I ain't gonna do him like that though.
Take that letter out for me, Carter.
It ain't nothing like having a good old organic cameraman.
You done dumped it.
Oh shoot.
You done got dumped.
Yeah.
Well, I got up on this ladder, boy. That ladder had me shaking like booty meat. Go ahead
That
and put
thing?
one up.
It worked though, don't it?
Carter, this janky one. You done lost your job. How you lose your job at the camera bank? Come on, dog.
Hey, just wait till they get the AI robots for creators, for content creators.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah. It'll just be a little robot that roll around, follow you with a camera. And then they already got the AI stuff that you just record everything, and you put it in the AI, and AI clip out the good stuff and put the edits on it and everything for you. You ain't gotta do jack. I just don't like doing all that, because you still gotta review it, because AI be messing up. And I'm about to be on YouTube more, because I seen the CEO of Google says that YouTube Shorts pays more than the long form content stuff. YouTube Shorts be paying.
You know D. Adrian Harding?
Yup, he from here.
Yep. I worked with the kid.
Where?
Dave and Buster's.
Oh, Dave and Buster.
Yep. I told that fool when he was starting that shit, don't stop. Keep
Yeah.
going. People will eat that shit alive.
Money, exactly.
And then COVID hit. Dave and Buster shut down. Temporary.
No, that's where you want it at. Which part gotta hit what?
Hey Shannon. Never mind.
I'm saying, a little bit ass free. You say what's up, Carter? That's a slap hammer.
I just call it a hammer stapler. Roofing most of the time.
Carter, you got some lag bolts.
Some what?
One time. What you about to ask me?
What is a lag bolt? You probably about the worst mentor ever.
Hey, you should know.
Every time I don't know something, you talking stuff. This an opportunity to teach.
Lag boat. It's a big old boat. It's called lag boat.
It's a possibility.
Cause I threw
I got some.
like that big old boat I threw in the back of here yesterday, right there. That's called a lag boat. But we need something bigger though. We need something.
The heck are you pointing at? Oh, yeah, I got you.
Hey, lag boat. We found some.
Oh, okay. I got all types of bolts and screws. I'll keep them in my truck. You know me. When I'm taking something down and you hear me say, hey, that's a good screw.
You got any of these in your truck? Not these, because these got that right there.
Don't give me nothing like this. Give me something like this.
Well, the first one you
Yeah.
can go through, you know what studs at with these.
Yeah.
All right, see if you got anything like that. Without
Yeah.
all the way up.
That boy got a dress on. I don't know how many of these bro need, but I ain't got many. I found my knife. All right. I don't know how many of these you need. That's about all I got.
It's way more than what we need.
I'll keep them.
You need them?
I'll keep them anyway.
No, I just got a ton of screws and stuff in my truck.